A boat travels an average speed of 15 kilometers in still water. The boat travels 12 kilometers downstream in the same time it takes to travel 8 kilometers upstream. So what happens when you go downstream? The current makes you go faster. And when you're traveling upstream, the current would make you go slower. So this is a distance, speed, time question. And just like the previous question that we just did, we're going to solve this one in a similar way. So we have to set up our chart. Distance, speed, and time. And what are the two situations we have? We have downstream and upstream. What do we know? We travel 12 kilometers downstream in the same time that we go 8 kilometers upstream. What is our speed? Our speed is 15 in still water. What will our speed be downstream? We need to pick a variable, x, and we're going to make x the average speed of the current. We're going to say that that's going to be x. So if we're going downstream, does it make sense that our speed is 15 plus the current? And upstream, we'll be going slower, will be 15 minus the current. Our formulas, right, if we get time by itself, time is distance over speed. You ever learn the triangle thing for distance, time, and speed? What is it? Distance, time, speed. You ever do this?
Oh, yeah.
You've done that? If you cover, right? If you cover up time, it's distance over speed. If you cover up speed, it's distance over time. If you cover up distance, it's time times speed.
Yeah, Riley didn't teach us that.
We do a marker physics test. Mr. Radley's still having Dude, he still
Okay.
didn't give us They didn't even give us 2 hard physics tests. He just said if you want them, come in at lunch. No,
They wanted to take home too.
after the exam, we wanted them. Mr. Radley brought us.
Okay. So, if we want time as distance over speed, we can write the time here will be 12 over 15 plus x. The time here will be 8 over 15 minus x. Create your chart, choose your variable, complete your chart with that variable. I mean, the steps sound easy, but it's some work to do. Once your chart is completed, there's enough information in the question to create an equation. What do we know about the chart? This time and this time are the same because it says it takes the same time to go 12 kilometers downstream as it does to go 8 kilometers upstream. So since those times are the same, we can create an equation saying that 12 plus over 15 plus x has to equal 8 over 15 minus x. This could be one where we could use cross multiplication because it can't be factored any further. So if I multiply, I could also get my common denominators the same, but 12 times 15 is 180 minus 12x equals 8 times 15 120 plus 8x. 60x equals, 60 equals 20x. Combine your like terms, divide by 20. What was x? X was the current. The average speed of the current is 3 kilometers per hour. So in section 7.6, there are 3 types of word problems. This is the distance, speed, time type of word problem. You can now do questions 8, 11, 12, and 13.